In this video, I'm going to teach you how to game share with a friend on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your friend has games that you would like to access, or vice versa, where they would like to access your games, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. You can download any digital games that either of you have. So this will only work for digital copies of games, including DLC and any other expansion packs. So to start, let's do this from your PlayStation 5. Of course, if you want to do the opposite route where your friends will access your games and so on, then just invert whoever is doing this. So let's say this is your PlayStation 5. Go over to Settings, Users and Accounts, and in here, make sure that console sharing and offline play has been disabled. So if you go over here and it tells you that it is enabled, you want to disable it on your main PlayStation 5. Once you have console sharing and offline play disabled on your main PlayStation 5, then your friend can go over and add your account into their console. So now this is from the perspective of your friend. They will go over to the option to add a user, and once they choose add user, they should sign into your account. So the profile that they will see when they go over to the settings is your PlayStation Network profile. Again, this is still from their perspective on their PlayStation 5, but they will sign into your account so they can download your games. Now, once they go over to user and accounts, console sharing and offline play, all that they have to do is enable it on their PlayStation 5. So once they are on their PlayStation 5 signed into your account, they will enable console sharing and offline play. And by doing this, all of your games will appear on the collection. So because they are signed into your PlayStation Network account on their PlayStation 5, your games will be shared across any users on their PlayStation 5. So they might have their own account, a family member's account, and so on. And any users on their PlayStation 5 will be able to access your games. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you can do it in the opposite perspective, where you will be signing with your friend's account on your PlayStation 5. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you set up game share on a PlayStation 5, consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.